Welcome to Virtual Voyagers. Hey there, Voyagers, and welcome to El Nido, a tropical paradise in the southwestern part of the Philippines. Join us as we show you how your day could go if you find yourself in this wonderland. Let's dive in. Island hopping in El Nido is like stepping into a postcard come to life. It's an adventure that promises to etch itself into your memory forever. The day starts with a sense of anticipation as you board a traditional Filipino boat called a bangka with fellow travelers. As the boat pushes off from the shore, the aquamarine waters stretch out before you, a canvas of endless possibilities. The first stop, Big Lagoon, is an enchanting natural wonder that beckons explorers and nature lovers. Tucked away amidst towering limestone cliffs, it's a tranquil oasis of emerald waters and breathtaking scenery. As you enter this secluded paradise, the sheer grandeur of the cliffs envelops you, casting mesmerizing reflections on the mirror-like surface of the lagoon. The water here is so clear that you can see straight through to the vibrant coral gardens below, where colorful fish dance in a ballet of aquatic life. Navigating the lagoon on a kayak or a boat feels like a journey into the heart of untouched nature. The silence is only broken by the gentle swish of your paddle or the distant calls of birds perched on the cliffs. It's a place that invites you to lose track of time, to soak in the serenity of the moment, and to appreciate the awe-inspiring beauty that the earth has to offer. Big Lagoon is more than a destination, it's a sensory experience, a testament to the extraordinary artistry of nature. It's a place where you can disconnect from the world and reconnect with the wonders of our planet. On the other hand, Small Lagoon, a hidden treasure, is a place where nature's magnificence meets serene intimacy. Accessed through a narrow, rocky entrance, it feels like stepping into a secret chamber of Eden. The moment you glide inside on a kayak or swim through the passage, you're greeted by a surreal world of emerald waters and towering limestone cliffs that seem to touch the sky. The lagoon's waters are incredibly clear, allowing you to peer into the depths where colorful marine life flits among the coral gardens. The surrounding cliffs create a natural amphitheater of tranquility, enhancing the sense of seclusion. As you explore further, you'll discover hidden corners and pockets of solitude where you can bask in this solitude and soak in the breathtaking beauty. Small Lagoon is a sanctuary of calm, an invitation to connect with nature on an intimate level. It's a place where the worries of the world fade away, replaced by wonder and reverence for the wonders of the natural world. As you hop from one island to the next, the scenery constantly changes. Secret Lagoon is a mystical enclave shrouded in an air of mystery and wonder. Accessible only through a narrow crevice in the rocks, it feels like stepping into a clandestine world known only to the lucky few. As you navigate the passage, a hidden cove of emerald waters and soaring cliffs unveils itself, like an ancient treasure waiting to be discovered. The lagoon's waters are a surreal blend of turquoise and jade, so clear that you can see the underwater landscape in all its glory. The surrounding cliffs, draped in verdant foliage, create an intimate amphitheater of calmness, enhancing the feeling of seclusion. Exploring further, you'll find pockets of tranquility where you can reflect in solitude, immersed in the raw beauty of the surroundings. Secret Lagoon is an invitation to unlock nature's secrets, a place where time seems to stand still, leaving you with a sense of reverence for the hidden wonders of the earth. Throughout the day, your boat crew might whip up a fresh seafood feast right on the beach. There's something special about savoring grilled fish and local delicacies with the sound of waves as your soundtrack. As the day draws to a close, the sun paints the horizon with a riot of colors. You'll find yourself at awe-inspiring spots like Seven Commandos Beach, often the last stop on the tour. Its pristine, powdery sand stretches alongside crystal clear waters, perfect for sunbathing and swimming. Named after the 7 commandos who once sought refuge here, the beach exudes a serene ambiance. Its palm-fringed shoreline and dramatic sunsets paint a picturesque scene, inviting visitors to unwind and savor nature's splendor. It's a tranquil oasis where the worries of the world simply melt away. It's a perfect place to reflect on the day's adventures, toes in the sand, and a cool drink in hand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.